kid.
Nope. Came out March 12th, 1990.
32 years ago, I gave birth to a bouncing baby boy. When it was time for Marvin to enter into this world, the doctor, he got mad at me because he thought that I was trying to push him out, without him coaching me to push. And I'm like, no, Marvin is coming out by himself. He was ready for the world. So after Marvin was born, they took the baby and, washed him up, and they took him straight to the nursery. So it was my turn to go get my baby. So I went in there and I was looking around. I'm like, where my baby at? And now, I'm looking down each aisle. I'm like, where is my baby? Marvin was there. He just blended in with the rest of the white kids. My baby was pink. He didn't have no color to him, but that's all right. I just want to say happy birthday to my bouncing baby boy, Marvin Jr.
Big bro, happy birthday. You know what I mean? I'm already knowing you turned up. You know what I mean? We ain't even got to say much. But one of the best memories I had with you was we just put some pro clubs on and we just walked around Fontana. I think we went to the store. But yeah, it was just something so simple. I just kept it, near and dear to me, and I just enjoyed a lot with you. Thank you for being a big brother to me. You always lead by example. I'm wishing you more life, you know what I mean? More success, more love, you know what I mean? Happy birthday, man.
Corby, happy birthday. The most memorable moment, I remember the day before Pac-12s, my senior year, you and Jasmine gave me that Louis bag as a graduation gift, and you guys stated like how you had to go back home. Yeah, I was a little sad. I'm like, oh, they're gonna miss my race. But the day I lined up on that line and I heard your voice, in that moment, I knew I was gonna win. I was like, oh, my brother's here. My whole family's here. It's about to go down. And I won, and you're a big reason that I did. You always supported me through anything I've done in life, track, my birthday celebrations, my 21st birthday, my 25th birthday, like, you're just there in every big moment in my life, and I'm so thankful that God allowed me to be your sister, and just keep doing your thing, keep shining, keep grinding, keep being the great family man that you are. I have nothing but respect and love for you, and I'm so thankful that you're such a blessing in my life, and we about to turn up. Happy birthday, let's go.
Filet, happy birthday, my guy. You already know, man. You already know. I ain't gotta say much, man. There's too many memories to put on this damn tape, man. You already know how we rockin', man. I appreciate everything you do for me, dog. I really do, man. I love you, dog. Happy birthday, man.
Where do I even start with you? One of the best memories I have is when we were learning the choreography to Remember the Times in Pico in the living room. It was so funny. We said, we're gonna get this dance down and we're gonna perform. I think it was for like Capitol Records and get a record deal. And we both knew we weren't gonna go to audition, but we literally was just spending time together, and that time has literally transcended through every dance event, every party that we go to, because once Remember the Times drop, we drop and we do that routine. I mean, I can't even count on my fingers how many times we've done that routine, but just that moment right there just shows me it doesn't matter how far apart we are or how much time goes by between us talking. We still love each other. We still got the moves, and we'll forever be here for each other. Happy birthday. You deserve every greatness. And we're still waiting for time to catch up with your greatness.
Papa T, your father-in-law, wants to thank you for all the beautiful years we spent together. You're a great man, you're a great husband, an exceptional father. You're all right football player. I'd tear your ass up if I was playing. Anyway, Marvin Jones Jr., happy birthday. You and Jordan gonna turn it up? I love you, man. Have a happy birthday. Feliz Navidad? No, that's Christmas. I don't know what to say. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, son-in-law. I love you, man.
Hey, Marby, how you doing? Happy birthday, number 32. Happy birthday to you. We love you.
Big 3-2.
All right. Take care. Have fun. See you later. God bless you. Love you.
Singing debut by Mr. Hey, Marvin Jones Jr. The Star Spangled Banner. Down to the water's cold, chill my body, but not my soul. I let all of my sins way down by the riverside. Way down by the riverside.
Mila. Mila. Say, feliz cumpleaños, papi. Feliz cumpleaños, papi. Mila. Mila. Say happy birthday, daddy. No. Mila. Say happy birthday, daddy. Go, Mila. Go, Mila. Go, Mila. Go, Mila. Go. Say happy birthday, daddy.
Hi, Daddy. I love when you tell me I'm going to give me lots of kisses. I love you, Daddy. Happy birthday. Hey, Daddy. The one thing I love about you is that you tickle me a lot. Happy birthday. Love you. Hey, Daddy. Happy birthday. My favorite thing about you is you're very fun and playful.
Hey, Daddy. The one thing I love about you is you always have a great attitude towards everything. Happy birthday.
I just want to say happy 32nd birthday. We've been together now for 16 years, half of our lives. I chose not to do our favorite memory because I feel like we have too many. So I'm just going to say a few things I love about you. The first thing is the way that you light up a room, how you can make people feel so comfortable around you, even people that you don't know. You have this type of aura and vibe that just naturally gravitates people towards you, and I think that is so awesome. The second thing is just the way that you take everything and turn it into a positive nature, or a positive thing, I should say. You never let one thing bring you back, hold you down. You always look at the next thing and try to make sure that it's the best outcome that it can be. The third thing is that how you provide for us, how you sacrifice everything to make sure that your family has what they need. You go leaps and bounds, and no one sees the hard work that you put in and day out to make sure that we constantly live the best life. And I thank you for that. I just want to say that I love you, and each year you become better and better as an individual, as a husband, as a father, and I definitely could not thank you enough, or couldn't even, I don't even have the words to describe some of the feelings that I have for you. I love you, and there's no one else I'd rather spend my life with. I hope you have a happy birthday.
Love you.
Love you.
And love for you.
Love you, dog.
Love you.
I love you, man.
Love you.
I love you, Daddy.
Love you.
I love you.
Happy birthday.
And
years to come, I want people to understand the value of family and how being close and regardless of what paths you take and stuff like that, being close to your family, that it hits home. The joy that everybody brings when we're together. So just togetherness and staying deeply rooted in your family.
check. 当你生日快乐！ Oh yeah！ 当你生日快乐！ 当你生日快乐！ 当你生日快乐！
This is my associate, Hasmin.
I'm the real captain.
I know, right?
Never mind.
Prendan los motores que nos vamos. Aquí todos los días son de verano. De lunes a lunes nunca paramos, yeah. Ya está saliendo el sol, ven y préndete. Esto es fácil, no me llames si tú andas con Lucy. Estamos en Miami, en un yate, un corito sano, no le pares. Gracias a toda la gente mía, nunca me dejaron. Antes yo le oraba a Dios para comprarme un carro. Ahora todo lo que yo tengo a ti te sale caro. Pero no le paro, ando a 1000, no me comparo. Gracias a Dios por todos los blessings que se caen diario. Sin embargo no me canso, sigo dando palos. Vamos a pegar un día de esto pa' salir del bar. No te pongas triste, esto es un flow universal. Hice lo que dijo Dios, no lo que quise. De la maldad que Dios me libre. Y el respeto se gana, manito, eso no se consigue. Dale ven, te quiero ver gozar y pasarla bien. Vamos, mira que caliente se ha puesto el weekend. La temperatura en 100 y el cuello frozen. Ya estamos en otro nivel, yo y Tommy que lo que. Prendan los motores que nos vamos. Aquí todos los días son de verano. De lunes a lunes nunca paramos, yeah. Ya está saliendo.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Llegó my sister-in-law on the water, guys! Yay! Love you, Marvin! Happy birthday!
Cuello frío me senté en Alaska. Me dicen Tommy lo mucho que gastas. Estamos arriba, me senté en la NASA, mamá. La noche me llama, el asunto dice Tommy, pero no como Montana. Aunque el mundo es mío y de la primera dama. Navegando por La Habana, yo ando con dos cubanas y tú hablas de jevita. Digo cadenas, con mis piquetes, suprime la cartera. El sol caliente, la luna llena, con esos ojos que alumbran donde quiera. Tommy, prenden los motores que nos vamos. Acá todos los días son de verano. De lunes a lunes no paramos. Aquí todos los santos somos sanos. Prendan los motores que nos vamos. Aquí todos los días son de verano. De lunes a lunes nunca paramos, yeah. Ya está saliendo el sol, ven y préndete. Esto es fácil, no me llames si tú andas con Lucy. Estamos en Miami, en un yate, un corito sano, no le pares. El Lovin ya tú sabes quién es, junto con Tommy, el único aquí directamente desde el estado debajo del sol. Tenemos la sangre caliente.
Baby, I'm gonna be the one you love, telling you that I'm gonna be the one you feel, and I'm gonna be the one to feel like it's sunshine. I'm gonna be the one you know. Tú más que nadie sabe cómo crazy. They just went crazy. My fellas, what we doing? They can only hear me. Oh, now you don't have no ears. God damn it. Hey, OJ, parcero. First off, fuck you, bitch, and click, you click. West side, when we rock, from the quick, you claim to be a player, but I fucked your wife. We bust no bad boys, nigga, fuck for life. Hey, let me talk that shit. Jimmy told you, Murphy is a ball gas, bitch. We keep it running while you're running for your Jews, and he's running into the Jews. You know the rules. Little Caesar, go out your homie while I leave and cut your young ass up. See you in peace, the biggest pieces. My deep, real deep, put your ass on the street.
Yes, mama. Give it to us. Give us all the life. Give us life. You gave us life already, but give us more life.
Okay, my mom wants to go. Mama, hey Johnny, can you grab that clear seat right there? You know, for the queen, we gotta,
the queen.
For the center, you know what I'm saying?
You better work.
I got my eyes on you. Everything that I see, I want your high love emotion. Endlessly, well, I can't get over you. Every month on me, I want your high love emotion. Endlessly, you're a good girl, you know it. You act so different around me.
Yes, be down with you, no matter the time. I wanna be down.
Somos amigos, nacemos contigo. En mi cama Dios es el testigo.
Entre nosotros es un secreto.
Please stay with me tonight. Don't leave me, girl. Please stay with me. Forget my pride, girl. You dead to me. Someone knows attention, I just let it be. Cause if I really want you, crack me, let me cap the keys. All the fun to me. Or because it's rain, they don't feel the pain I feel in my heart. They just wanna sit and hate on me. From the start that you coming up, I advise our niggas keep them right. Cause if you share your plate, you'll eat it in the double back. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go, baby.
Yes, Jasmine.
Yeah. Cause none of them can stop at the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Some say it's just a part of it. We got to fulfill the books. These songs of freedom, cause all I ever had. Redemption song. Redemption song. These songs of freedom. Songs of freedom. By the legendary Bob Marley.
I think so.
Yay, baby!
She's like, no more.
Canta.